My next technology is called the Zygot Body, and this is to help our students with their anatomy. So I'm just going to sign up here um, for my free subscription and get logged in. So we'll wait for it to download. There's a couple different ways that you can look at the anatomy and physiology of the body. You can go over here and you can search for specific muscles or bones or nerves, those kind of things. You can also come over here and you can look at muscles, joints, bones, um, organs, those kind of things. So we are going to look for the gluteus maximus muscle, and then we can turn our patient, whoops, turned her a little too fast, so that we can see her gluteus maximus muscles, where they lay, um, and how they look in the body. We can then go and we can type in femur, and we can see where the femurs are in the body. This helps the students to not only learn their anatomy, but their physiology, and how everything works together, how it looks in the body. Like I said, you can turn the skeleton so that you can see it from the side, um, from the anatomical position, or so that you are looking at them from the back. This is a really good tool for the students to use while they're learning all of those basic anatomy and physiology terms and locations. This aligns with the ISTE Educational Leader Standards of 3C, which is inspire a culture of innovation and collaboration that allows the time and space to explore and experiment with digital tools. So the students can go in and kind of play around with it to help them learn. And then also 5D, which is develop the skills needed to lead and navigate change, advance systems, and promote a mindset of continuous improvement for how technology can improve learning. So though that is my second technology.